everyone, this is Sonic Hedgehog here, and this is my review on the Funko Sonic the Hedgehog multi-grain cereal. And I have a mini Sonic figure right here. It's a GameStop exclusive, so like if you have kids that like cereal, or if you're just a huge Sonic collector like me, I'd say get it. But I'm gonna try the cereal, see if it's worth any good. Because, yeah, let's just give this a go. Okay, not bad. But it does have a weird aftertaste. Funko, in my opinion, stick to making figures. You do best at that than making food, honestly. Okay, so that was my review. Thanks for watching.